Let's get your Red Pocket voicemail set up. Since Red Pocket uses the underlying network of major carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, the process is similar to setting up voicemail on those carriers directly. First, you'll need to create a PIN for security. Dial 86 or your carrier's voicemail access number from your Red Pocket phone. Follow the prompts to create a unique 4 to 10-digit PIN. This PIN protects your voicemail from unauthorized access. After setting your PIN, you'll be prompted to record a greeting. This is the message callers will hear when you can't answer. Keep it concise and professional. You can usually re-record it if you're not happy with the first take. Remember to test your setup by calling your own number and leaving a message to ensure everything is working correctly. Also, keep your PIN secure and consider changing it periodically for enhanced security. Visual voicemail lets you see a list of your voicemails and play them in any order, often transcribing them to text. This feature is incredibly convenient for quickly checking messages. To enable visual voicemail on Red Pocket, you'll typically use your carrier's app, such as Verizon's Visual Voicemail app or T-Mobile's Visual Voicemail. Once activated, you'll see a list of your voicemails within the app. Tap a message to play it, read the transcription if available, or delete it. Keep in mind that visual voicemail uses a small amount of data for transcription. If you're on a limited data plan, be mindful of usage. Visual voicemail availability and specific features can vary depending on your carrier, so check with Red Pocket support or your carrier's website for the most accurate information. It's a great productivity tool, especially for business users.